Can you get it?
Hey, don't worry back on me, man. I was enjoying not having my legs feel like something was killing me. Oh, now my leg hurts again.
Woo! Woo! I could lose. Woo! Looks like something.
You went a little too soon. Whoever it was just wooed before the fireworks.
Don't claim their premature wooing. Premature celebration.
Some call me premature, I just call it ecstasy.
Oh, yeah.
Use your fingers.
It's pretty when I'm drunk.
Pretty when I'm drunk.
Just start spinning.